Today we'll be talking about investment using Afrinvestor 2.0 app. So download it from your Play Store. Just search for Afrinvestor 2.0 and install it. Some requirements will be needed. Just register using all those things, and then you get your CSCS number within the 24 to 48 hours of registration. So when you download the app, open it like this, sign up if you're a new user. If you're an old user, sign in using your email address and enter your password. So when you click on sign, this is how it's going to look like. Click on this place highlighted to see how much you have. I have just 1,000 something on my balance, which I've not used. So click on fund wallet to fund your wallet. That's to send money from your bank account. So I'm going to send like 2,001, for example, from my bank account to my Afrinvestor wallet. So click on continue. So I'm going to choose bank transfer. If you're a new user, they will ask you to create using money points. Just click on the agree terms and all. Then copy the account number. Once you copy the account number, you can choose Wema, you can choose money point, whichever you want. Just copy the account number for the one you want to use and send. Then click on this button to exit. Don't click on the back button. Just go to the home button, find your bank app, make the transfer, confirm the account details and the bank. You can see Afrinvestor BLE, which is blessing. So go back to the app, click on transfer done to confirm that you've done the transfer. It will take just some seconds or minutes to reflect depending on bank network. So you can see my money was 1,000 something, which I have not used to invest. So it's now 3,000 something, minus some charges. So I'm going to show you around the apps. This is stock. They have 275 listed companies on this app. So if you have not seen the one you're looking for, click on the search bar to find stocks. So when you click on the search bar, like I'm going to type MTN, MTN Nigeria. So click on it and buy stocks. So this one is for commercial papers. I'm not buying commercial papers, and this video is focused on stock buying, how to purchase stock. So I'm just trying to show you around the app. So once you've checked all these Treasury Bills, you can also buy Treasury Bills, FGN saving bonds, and all. There are a lot of videos online explaining all of this, which you can also learn in this Afrinvestor app. So once you are checking all of this, you just go back. If you want to proceed with any of them, you proceed. But I'll just go back because I still have a lot of things that I want to show you as you keep watching this video. So this one is AfriTrack, is from them, but it's not available now. The next thing is tap to learn. This is investor education. You learn about stocks, treasury bills, and all of that. Then this is today's biggest movers, the company that gained or lost the most today in today's stock market. So you look at them here. So the next thing is that we are going to go to your portfolio. Click on this place, look at the portfolio, just tap on portfolio and it will open up to your portfolio. So as a new user, it may be 000, but for me, you can see what makes up my portfolio. So I'll click on this equity and bonds to show you around, show you what these are the stocks that I've bought and the amount by the right side. So I'm going to open one to show you. Stanbic, just bought very few, 13 units, and you can see everything, the total amount, the today's gain percentage, and all of that. So market closes around 9 a.m. and market opens 9, closes 2 p.m. So this is the order history. Tap on it to see when I bought it. I bought it in May 2025, about 800 and something naira, 13 units. So you can see if you want to do more things, I'm going to show you how to sell shares and others. So just hit the subscribe button and drop your question. So how we got here by opening your app, going to portfolio, click on the equity and click on the one you want to sell. Now like this Stanbic, if I click on sell, so this info icon is going to explain what this order type and limit period means to you. So for a limit period, it means how many days do you want the price for today. Do you want to sell your stock at the price for today? That is good for the day. If you want good for 3 days, the best price in the space of 3 days. Good for 7 days, good till you cancel or you choose a custom date. So That is what that means for this particular thing. So if you want to choose any custom date, you can just choose good for maybe today with this date or whatever date, but weekends are excluded. So if you go out, you can see you have number of shares available. If you can sell less than what you have, or all that you have is up to you. So once you put the number, they will tell you the estimated cost. You click on sell share to sell all your shares. But I'm not selling this is for tutorial, so I'll just go back. So when I go back, it will take me back to the place where there is sell and there is buy. So if you want to buy more, like this particular one, you want to buy more of it, you will see that the stock is doing well. You click on buy more. Good for the day. Market order, I'm choosing order type to be market order. What is being sold at the market currently? So this is how much I have available to trade. You put the number of shares you want, they will tell you the price, and you click on buy. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to invest. So click on invest, click on Nigerian stocks. Now you can use the search bar. I'm going to buy from Honeywell. This one is going to be real, like example. I will show you everything. Click on this Honeywell. You can see it's 22 naira, currently 0.7 kobo. So click on buy. If you want to check other things that are listed here, you can check, but I want to just show you how to buy. Click on buy. So the other type I'm using is market order, like what is currently in the market, what is currently being sold in the market now. So good for, I'm using good for today, good for the day, because I want it to be executed today. So you see this market order or limit order. You have limit order, you can buy at a lower, you have to choose. In limit order, you choose how much you want to buy. So if it's available, they sell to you. If it's not available, they will not what sell to you. So but market order is what I'll choose. Good for what? Good for the day. The number of shares, this is another thing. You see how much you have available, 3,187.75. So if I choose the number of shares, they will be showing me the amount. Like 100 is 2,000 something, then 200, this is 250, 5,000 something is above what I have. So estimated cost is showing here, 220 is still above, 200 is still above. So I'm going down to 150. Let's say we do 150 to see 180. Okay, it's still above, so you have to be looking at how much you have available and what, and the estimated cost, and also have in mind that there is a processing fee. So 130 is 2,009. So I have some change. I'll click on buy honey flow, but when I go, I'll check the processing fee and every other thing, and now check the balance to see if the amount is 3,187 point whatever, but you can see it's 3,003. If you click on buy now, they will tell you insufficient fund because it will not be able to buy that. So I will reduce it to 127. I don't want my wallet balance to be big. Let it be like in Kobo. So 127 is 2,882.90. You can see that shares are not really costly. You don't need to have all the money in the world to buy it. So with the processing fee, this is still too much. So I'll just reduce it to 125. Once I reduce it to 125, then click on buy. So you can see 2,837. Meanwhile, this is 3,187. So you can see I'll have like 10 naira balance. So done. Click on done. You have initiated this. You see notification on your app that you have initiated a market buy. So you can see the status booked. So once it's done, they will tell me executed. So I may not say everything here, but my friend has a club that talks about stocks and everything. So you can see her number here and her email address. Reach out to her for this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ask all your questions in the comment section. I will answer them. Like this video, share this video with everyone that needs to know it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.